step into the 2011 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S550. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: HID headlights, satellite radio, all-wheel drive, active suspension, CD player, passenger airbag sensor, keyless entry, cruise control, and front side airbag. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.